Hi there, students. Indisposed. Okay, this is an adjective. Firstly, we can use this adjective meaning ill, particularly when you're unable to do something. So I'm not going to be able to come to the party because I'm indisposed with COVID. Okay, indisposed. The Simon is indisposed and can't act in the play tonight. I'm indisposed with flu. Okay, so if you're indisposed, this is talking about not being able to do something, not being able to fulfill your obligations because you're slightly unwell. So my mother is indisposed and sends her regrets that she can't be here. Yes, so he's on the sick list, he's indisposed, he's poorly, he's a bit sick. Now, this word indisposed we use very often to mean they're not ready, they're doing something, and you don't really want to explain it more specifically. So, John is indisposed, he's in the loo, yeah, he's not in a state of readiness. He's only just got up and isn't dressed. He's indisposed. Okay, so you're not ready to do something. Yeah, in a way that you're not in the you're not in a state of readiness. You can also use this phrase indisposed to mean that you don't want to do it, you're unwilling to do it, you're not disposed to doing it, you're not predisposed to doing it, you don't really feel like doing it. Although I think I would probably more commonly use I'm not disposed to do this. So he says that he is indisposed to helping us on Friday. I think it would sound better to me. He's not disposed to help us on Friday. But indisposed is a way. It's very often we use this a way of saying not available, and I'm not going to give you any more information as to why he's not coming. So she's indisposed with a headache and can't take class today. His wife says he's indisposed, but I know he's drunk. And that's the point. Yeah, she says he's indisposed. Yeah, he's not available and no more. She was indisposed and she definitely didn't want to come. Okay, so if you're using this phrase indisposed, you're saying that, well, I'm not really inclined to do this, I don't want to do this, and I don't want to give more information about it. The speaker was regrettably indisposed. So it implies ill, but not able to do it, not had other obligations. It doesn't really say why he didn't do it. Yeah, it's implying he's sick. The prince is indisposed and has cancelled all his engagements. Well, we presume he's ill, but well, who knows? Okay, so indisposed. Let's see, formality, indisposed, definitely 6.5 in formality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. This is a word to use to be polite, with politeness. As to origin, okay, indisposed, not disposed. And then this word disposed, to dispose, disposer in French, disponere in Latin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Indisposed.